AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a cut-to-length station with an unwind and dual punch assembly to precisely cut and punch pieces of foil from a roll form. Material is loaded onto an unwind. The cantilevered design allows for quick and easy loading. From the unwind, the material travels under a rising dancer arm and assembly. A no product sensor will automatically shut the unit down when no product is sensed. Material is pulled through the pneumatically operated set of punches. Punch assemblies are mounted on a rail system and can be adjusted for spacing in any orientation. A set of precision ground rollers pulls the material into the cut-to-length station. Rollers are turned by a high-accuracy servo motor. Operator can lift the idler roller using a toggle switch for easy setup of a new web. Material is then cut by a D2 heat-treated tool steel blade. Cut material then falls down a safety enclosed exit chute. A jam sensor will automatically shut the unit down when no product is sensed exiting the knife assembly. All components are mounted on a common aluminum frame. The unit has a color touchscreen for easy setup and operation. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.